Rusty House on the Rye. This house was originally built in the 1950s and is located in the Holly Grove Conservation Area in Peckham, South London. The owner, Victoria, decided to extend the house with the help of local architect Sarah Borowiecka from Studio on the Rye. One of the most interesting things about Rusty House on the Rye is not just its unique appearance, but because every element of the design has a meaning, not only in terms of aesthetics, but also in terms of function and context. The rusty appearance of Corten steel is present naturally and is durable. It is a strong and interesting contrast compared to the red brick of the original house. This material was also chosen because it fits the historical atmosphere of the surrounding environment, so it remains in harmony even though it is present with a new nuance. Entering the inside of the house, the interior design carries a Scandinavian minimalist style. Filled with natural materials such as ash wood for the window frames and oak parquet on the floor. Natural light is maximized through large windows and skylights, creating a warm and bright feel throughout the room. The placement of the corner window in the master bedroom is also not without reason. Its position allows natural light to enter from two directions, making the lighting feel more even and deep throughout the day. In addition, this window also provides an angled view towards Bellenden Road, adding visual value as well as a connection with the outside environment. At the back of the house, there are large sliding doors that open directly onto a small garden behind the house. Light enters freely, air can flow freely, making this area feel more alive and open. In the kitchen and dining room, a combination of ash wood and concrete tiles is used. This combination gives a warm yet sturdy impression, perfect for an active but still comfortable family room. This project is a great example of how modern design can blend with old structures, resulting in a home that is functional, aesthetic, and still respects the context of its surroundings. For those looking for inspiration for home renovations or simply enjoying thoughtful architectural work, Rusty House on the Rye can be an interesting and inspiring reference. See you again in the next home inspiration and design. Thanks for watching.